We've never seen a world like this, populated with so many different faces and colors. It's a beautiful thing to see.
About to show these boys how we do it.
We're all recognizing that these stories need to be told about women.
Wanda, her vulnerability in her emotional life is when she's at her most powerful.
It's important to recognize yourself. You could watch it and think, people that look like me, we can be superheroes too.
It's so important for women to be behind the scenes as well. We need all those voices at the table.
I learned when you are tested, you're stronger, taller, bigger than you thought.
I'm not interested in the glass ceiling. I'm interested in the brick wall. Because if I take down the brick wall, then we can redesign the building. And that's the only way to go forward.
We have the power to represent what the world looks like today.
We can take these characters' motivations and bring it into our own lives, and it empowers us.
MPower, a 4-part series now streaming only on Disney+.